the onion price is shooting up. I think the Indian tourist, they have a habit of asking kanda lao, mirchi lao. So kandaच्या जाग्यार people are giving cabbage. So if you ask kanda, the Indian tourists ask kanda, they give cabbage and chili. But vegetable prices have definitely gone up in Goa. It is high time that the Goan, every Goan has got a place behind their house. They should grow their own vegetables. Every Goan has got, a lot of Goans have got paddy fields, small fields, where after the paddy they should start growing vegetables, which we were doing, our ancestors were doing for so many years. And it is high time that the Goan should come forward and start this. And they should cultivate this in the minds of the small children. So small children, when they are growing up, they will continue growing vegetables. Today we are buying vegetables from the market from Karnataka, Maharashtra and other places. I think we should grow our own vegetables.